glory to my nation. In my family, in our family, son and daughter are equally important. They enrich the family and the society. So friends, wish you all the best. God bless you for live in a what can I give mission world. What can I give will give happiness. Question? Who question? Any language you can ask, but you have to put it. Who will ask the question? Yes, yes. Ask first question. Mike, give a mic.
हेलो सर, जो अभी इंडिया में राष्ट्रपति चुनने के लिए जा रहा है वो गैर राजनीतिक पार्टी का होना चाहिए राजनीतिक? अगर राजनीतिक पार्टी का राष्ट्रपति होगा तो वो किसी पार्टी के लिए अपना विशेष करेगा?
See, I personally believe still 1 month more, okay, for election. Don't bother now, okay? 1 month more, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, next.
Sir, what are you doing for stopping corruption in this country? There are lots of people who are fighting against corruption like Anna Hazare and Baba Ramdev, and I hope that what you are planning for youth.
Well, what can I give mission?
Yes.
The people who join what can I give mission,
Yes.
you know, we have got 1 billion people in the country.
Yeah.
They live in 200 million houses, okay?
Yeah.
200 million into 5 billion people. So 1 minute, hear me. You asked a question, now you have to hear the answer, okay?
Yes.
Understand?
My second question is that I'm a teacher. What are the characteristics to be a good teacher? I want to be given some spark to my
First question you asked, now you got a second question. You are a great guy.
Yeah.
Okay, number 1. First question is, the children, every child today want to become what can I give mission. If the father is corrupt, the son or daughter will tell the father, don't do the corruption. Okay? Okay, next.
Sir,
excuse me, sir, I have a question.
Where are you?
Sir, I am here.
Where are you?
Sir, I am here.
Wait, yeah, wait. 1 minute, only one. Okay, go ahead. Ask the question.
Sir, who is your inspiration person? Who is your inspiring person?
Well, who is my inspiring person? When I was a 10-year boy, I was studying 5th class.
Yeah.
There was a teacher, Shiva Subramania Ayya.
Yeah.
He is a science teacher.
Yeah.
He went to the blackboard, taught how a birds fly. The way he taught how a birds fly, not only taught me how a birds fly, he gave me aim in life. That I must study something with flight science.
And sir, I have a
next question. Next
sir,
next question. No, only one.
Please, sir.
Next question. Next question. No, sir. Next question.
Sir,
I have a wish.
Okay.
Sir,
then I want to ask you, sir, one thing. Then, when you were a young boy, about 10 to 12 years old, then, sir, I have learned and as I have read in books, sir, please don't mind that your family condition was not so good.
Pardon?
Your family condition was not so good at that time. Sir, please don't mind.
Sir, please.
सर मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप राजनीति में आना चाहते हैं तो आपका इसके पीछे आने का क्या कारण है?
Well, my area, whatever, whether it's politics or not politics, target young people, okay? How to transform the young India into economically developed nation. Okay, your question.
Sir, I want to ask that how can we read?
No, next.
Yes, how can we forward looking and if we want to something then what can we do? So please.
Sir, my question. What you tell about your student A.C. Thomas?
Well, my student days, I was not only was a student, I was also working, okay? I used to distribute the newspaper when I was a young fellow, okay? And then I had great teachers in the elementary school and also high school. They were all role models for me. Okay, next.
Sir, when you were a young boy, about to 10 to 12 years old, then I have read in books, sir, please don't mind that your family condition was not so good. You used to sort newspapers. Sir, then at that time, I think you should got depressed. Then how can you build such a life and become such a great person? Then what inspired you at that time to be good?
Well, I did not have time to get depressed. You follow? No, you to him. I did not have time to get depressed, okay? Because continuously I was working and studying. Follow? Continuously studying and working. I had number 1, aim in life. Number 2, continuously acquire the knowledge. Number 3, hard work. Number 4, perseverance. You are not afraid of the problem. Defeat the problem and succeed. Next question.
I have not a question. I have a gratitude to give your Excellency, for whatever contribution you have given.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Sir, refer to our first informer.
No, what are you doing?
I am working on Novel Bharat, and I have met you in 2002.
I think you are a press guy.
No, I am a scholar, sir. I am a lifelong scholar. And you have given the direction that please send your pilot project to all the concerned ministries of Government of India for its expansion in the nation, especially after.
What is the question?
Especially after completion of your pilot project. It is Novel Bharat. I have taken 3 problems. One is uneducated unemployment, second is self-ignorance, and third was technological illiteracy.
Okay.
I have met you in 2002.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. And I am ready to say Government of India, thank you Government of India for not responding, because you have given the strength to a common man like me that we can do it
Wish
without
you all the best, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Next. Next. Okay, question over. Yes, ask please. Yes, go ahead, it's working.
क्वेश्चन बच्ची से करवा दो।
Shout.
सर, मेरा नाम अनिरुद्ध गुप्ता है सर। मैं 10 यूपी बटालियन से हूँ सर। मेरा क्वेश्चन है सर, ऐसी कौन सी घटना आपकी लाइफ में हुई है जिसने आपको चेंज कर दिया है? आप सर उसको बता सकते हैं प्लीज सर। किस घटना ने आपकी जिंदगी को?
No, only one question. What event you took my the one thing I find that when I build a rocket, putting a satellite to orbit, when it failed, first time when it failed, I found a great leader absorbing the failure, and when I succeeded next time, and he put me in the front of media. So the message I got, the great human being should absorb the failure and give the success to the team members. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I want to thank you, and myself is Madhav Govind Tiwari from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Kausikalan, Mathura. Sir, I want to thank you, God, that I have met a great scientist of my India. Sir, I want to ask you that Indian youth is suffering from a great depression. I think that depression is from getting defeat in different due to reservation. And I think that reservation cuts the throat of intelligence. It is hard, elastic in the world. To ask you that how this fever can be overcome. How the people which are depressed, how the Indian youth.
What I want to tell you, reservation. You are talking about the reservation. Depression. If you have a aim in life, I told you, you have a aim in life.
No, sir.
If your aim in life, continuously you are going to work for it. You have to acquire the knowledge, and you will work hard, and you will give the perseveration. Problem will not defeat you. You will defeat the problem.
Sir,
okay.
Thing is that, sir, how the defeat reservation cuts the throat of intelligence.
Confidence. You must have the confidence. That is the most important thing.
Thank you, sir, very much.
Okay.
So, I am from HPD. Myself, Tanisha Khandelwal. I asked you that Mr. Barack Obama, President of America, stated one of his speech that the brain of India is not competed by any world. So, but due to lack of facilities, children, especially in the poverty line, cannot take education and got employed, which also lead to obstruction in national development. So, what we can do?
Well, I personally believe the now number of schools and colleges are coming in the state sector, and also number of scholarships are there, and then there is a bank loan for a higher education. So definitely system will improve. One should not get frightened with the problem. Okay? Next. Okay? Thank you, friends. All of you repeat with me. The ignited mind. Ignited mind. Repeat with me. Ignited mind. Ignited mind of the youth is the most powerful resource on the earth, above the earth, and under the earth. So youth power is a very important power. I wish you all the best. What can I give mission? Wish you all the best. I have got a set of books for the organizers at Sanskriti Institute, which has organized this whole function. I want to give to them. Okay.
रास्ते खुल जाएंगे, मंजिलें
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
जाएंगी।
Are we all ignited? Can we have a warm applaud once more? एक बार तालियों के साथ इतना उत्साहवर्धन किया, जोरदार तालियों के साथ। क्या बात है। अब हम प्रोग्राम को थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ाते हैं और हमारे बीच कुछ और गणमान्य लोग हैं जिनसे मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो डॉक्टर कलाम का फेलिसिटेशन करें, क्योंकि उन्होंने हमारा इतना उत्साहवर्धन किया सभी युवाओं का। क्या मैं स्टेज पर बुलाता हूं मिस्टर R.K. गुप्ता जी और मिस्टर सचिन जी को डॉक्टर कलाम का फेलिसिटेशन करने के लिए। मिस्टर R.K. गुप्ता जी एंड मिस्टर Sachin Gupta ji, can you felicitate Dr. Kalam with the small token of appreciation and a shawl? तालियां तालियां। आप लोग तालियों में कंजूसी कर देते हैं। मिस्टर राजेश जी और मुकेश जी एक मोमेंटो से डॉक्टर कलाम जी का फेलिसिटेशन करेंगे। मिस्टर राजेश जी और मिस्टर मुकेश जी, और एक छोटी सी पेंटिंग है जो राजीव जी, प्रवीण जी और मंजीत देंगे डॉक्टर कलाम जी को, एक ताकि वो इस व्हाट कैन आई गिव लॉन्च मथुरा को हमेशा याद रखें। ये पेंटिंग मथुरा की फेमस पेंटिंग, आपके शहर की खास पेंटिंग है। तालियां बजाइए। और अब कुछ ऐसे लोग जिन्होंने इस इवेंट को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में हमारा पूरा योगदान है उनका, और हमारा बहुत साथ दिया। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा डॉक्टर कलाम to felicitate them with a small honor, a small token of our appreciation, and may I call upon Deepankar Mazumdar ji. Deepankar Mazumdar ji. Deepankar Mazumdar ji, and may I request Dr. Kalam to give a small token of our appreciation to him. And this is then Mr. Amit Khanna.
Everybody put your hands together, we the leaders, shape the future. Everybody put your hands together.
Shri Pushpendra Sharma.
Shape the future.
Mr. Ashok Gupta. Mr. Ashok Gupta. Shri Pushpendra Sharma ji, Ashok Gupta ji. So that's it. And Mr. Vishal Goyal. And someone who's been helping us for this program for a long time, Mr. Sandeep Garg.
खुल जाएंगे, मंजिलें भी मिल जाएंगी, जो वो पहला कदम पड़ेगा सही,
Mr. Swagat.
कोशिश भी रंग लाएगी।
So that Her completes her felicitations. And now I request the chairman of the Sanskriti Group of Institutions, Mr. Sachin Gupta, to deliver the vote of thanks, which will be followed by the national anthem. So may I invite Mr. Sachin Gupta ji. Thank you.
His Excellency, the 11th President of Republic of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, our most valuable invited guests, directors, teachers and students from Mathura and nearby cities. It is my great privilege to will be remembered as a very special day in the history of Sanskriti Group, as this is the first occasion when His Excellency Dr. Kalam has graced the important event in Mathura. His very presence in today's program signifies his highest order of commitment to the nation in striving to achieve excellence and to fulfill the social and economic aspirations of young minds of the country. Sir, through your mission, what we can give to our country, we have been greatly encouraged by your gracious presence and immensely benefited by your soul-inspiring address. Due to your inspiring thoughts, Sanskriti Group resolves to rededicate itself to promote both opportunity and excellence in your mission, as well as in higher education, with a view and undertake a chapter of What Can I Give, creating a knowledge society with lives such enduring values which can take care of the nation's economic, technological, cultural and ethnic diversity. I, on behalf of Sanskriti family, entire fraternity of young minds and Sanskriti, extend to your Excellency, sir, a very hearty vote of thanks for gracing the function and unleashing the What Can I Give chapter of Western UP. Besides his sharing the august audience your vision of an enlightened and thriving society. All the members of the media fraternity richly deserves our special thanks for the cooperation. Special thanks to the local administration, police, who took the great responsibility of security and administrations. I also express thanks to the faculty and directors and teacher fraternity from different schools, colleges and institutions, students of the institutions and other colleges of Mathura for sparing their valuable time to grace this occasion. And of course to all the members who have extended their immense support and cooperation directly or indirectly. Before I close, please permit to apologize for any inadvertent omissions if there are any. And lastly, let me share my inner feelings with you. And that is that to have with you as today on this occasion has indeed been a great honor, a special privilege and a thrill beyond compare. Thank you.
Temperature. And those people are the construction workers who are standing now behind Dr. Kalam, and all these people have a special role to play in the kind of shade, the kind of fan and all those things which we are taking for granted. Can we have an applaud for them? They are the construction workers over here. And now before we end, the most important thing is, may I request all of you to stand for the national anthem. National anthem who's playing? Manjeet, national anthem. सपनों का एक मुसाफिर अपने ही घर से निकला, राहों ने बाहें खोली, मंजिल से मिलने निकला, एक सपना सच होने वाला है. तालियां बजाते रहिए, इन लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत करी है आपके लिए. पूरी धूप में खड़े होकर के एक एक पंडाल की एक एक ये जो कपड़े के टुकड़े और दरियां लगी हैं, ये सब एक एक कुर्सी लगाई है इन्होंने.
Thank you.
जो वो पहरा कदम पड़े घर सही, कोशिश भी रंग लाएगी। अपने ही घर से निकला, बाहें खोली मंजिल से मिलने निकला। एक सपना सच होने वाला है, बड़ी दूर तक फैला उजाला है। एक सपना सच होने वाला है, बड़ी दूर तक फैला उजाला है। चलो 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 संस्कृति संस्कृति संस्कृति, चलो 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 संस्कृति संस्कृति संस्कृति। कोशिश के पंख लगा के उड़ना है आसमां में, कल जो है आने वाला है अब वो अपने सामने। एक सपना सच होने वाला है, बड़ी दूर तक फैला उजाला है। एक सपना सच होने वाला है, बड़ी दूर तक फैला उजाला है। चलो 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 संस्कृति संस्कृति संस्कृति, चलो 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 संस्कृति संस्कृति संस्कृति। जीवन की धूप छाँव में मिल जाएगी तुझे खुशी, उजली सी लाल जिंदगी जब अपने साथ संस्कृति। एक सपना सच होने वाला है, बड़ी दूर तक फैला उजाला है। एक सपना सच होने वाला है, बड़ी दूर तक फैला उजाला है। Everybody put your hands together, be a leader, shape the future. Everybody put your hands together, be a leader, shape the future.